So the floors are converted, super excited about that. This place is starting to feel like we're actually starting to make some progress with this thing. It's kind of ground up from here. We got the bases of the shell done. The floors are all patched up, so no more holes or dealing with rust or anything. Today, right now, we're just going to see about getting rid of this air door mechanism. I was debating if I wanted to keep it because it was kind of neat, especially just being able to flick a switch and the door opens and then flick a switch and it closes again. But it is unnecessary for our day-to-day use, and it does take up a little bit of headroom here. I've already disconnected the wires and got rid of those when I got rid of the rest of the wires. And now it just seems like there's one air hose that runs into this, and it runs down the front A-pillar. So I'm gonna try to disconnect that and see where exactly it goes. I was hoping I could just snip it right off, but I think because it's connected to the air system and the valve is up here, that if I just cut it and then turn the bus on, it's just gonna start blowing air out. So I've got to figure out a way to like either turn the valve off or cap it. Yeah, that's what we're doing today. Should be fairly simple, but I've been wrong before, so here we go. So yeah, it runs from here through the front door, around and around. Access panel number 1 feeds here, feeds through in front of the radiator right here to the pressure valve right there. I've just got to get some kind of like end cap to cap it off so it doesn't blow pressure through. Yeah, super straightforward. So yeah, that's that. Now I got this huge chunking 5-pound piece of equipment out of the way that I don't need anymore. Whatever I can do to make my life easier for the future. Appreciate you guys following along. Like it if you like it, dislike it if you don't like it, and if you could subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Definitely helps out in any way, shape, or form. If you could share it with anybody you know that might be interested in this whole minimalism, tiny house, school bus conversion. And like I said before, it's not about tiny houses or minimalism or any of those trendy things. It's about freedom, and this is going to give us the ability to not have to worry about making a certain amount of money. It's going to be a lot easier just to live by on the day-to-day, so which makes our life happier and gives us the ability to do what we want to do when we want to do it because we can, and that's what it's all about. So appreciate you guys.